Ted Fist, Head of U.S. Business Operations for Capillary Concrete. Capillary Concrete was developed by Martin Sternberg in Gothenburg, Sweden. Our oldest projects are 9 years old, and those are in Norway. In 2012, we brought Capillary Concrete into the United States market, and to date we have about 450 courses that have been completed. After the initial success of a Capillary Concrete trial installation at the Oconee course, the Great Waters course here at Reynolds Lake Oconee has begun to install 18 holes of our product. A major benefit of using capillary concrete is the ability of our product to drain water at hundreds of inches an hour. So what this does is it allows us to work with the architect's design. They can create dramatic looking bunkers. We can allow for sand to stay in those bunkers and not wash out, and also reduce the amount of maintenance and provide better playing conditions for the members. The way we create our product is we develop a custom mix design at a local ready mix supplier. In this particular location, we're working with Fowler Flemister. They've worked with the Reynolds Group now for 30 years. They're a locally owned and operated operation. We've been very happy with the product that they've been able to provide for us. We send a mix design to them. They send us particular specs back. We create the custom mix design for each specific golf course that we work with, and then that product is brought to the golf course in a ready mix truck, and it's placed at 2 inches in the bunker by a trained staff. It's rolled smooth, we cover it in plastic, we test it for drainage, and it's ready for sand the next day. By the time the restoration is complete, all 18 holes will have capillary concrete.